What's up guys? Today I got a really cool video that I want to bring to you, and it's a brand new product that I think you're going to be interested in, and that's the Tribus Tools Ratcheting Flex Head Extendable O2 Sensor Socket. So in this video we're going to put it to the test. We're going to look at all the details of it, and there's also a special code that's going to save you some money if you pre-order the wrench before October the 1st. So without further ado, let's dive into this thing and show you what it's about. All right guys, so here is what the wrench looks like. Excuse the scratches because we did demo this wrench and we did put it through some uses here in the shop, and it works extremely well. As you can see, and it's an extremely heavy duty wrench, and the ratcheting mechanism, the way it works, it's a ratcheting line wrench. You can see how the teeth move, and the cutout allows you to get it over the wire or the smaller end of the sensor, whichever one works for you. Now what's cool about this, it is a flex head wrench, so you can move it any direction that you need to, and we actually put this thing to the test here in just a minute on a 1998 Buick Century with a 3.1 in it. If you guys have done those before, you know it's kind of sitting down in a kind of a cutout. It's kind of aggravating to get to, and the flex head along with the extension handle makes it extremely easy to do. Like I say, it does have an extension handle, good coarse threads. You just simply slide it in, tighten it up. Now your 6-inch handle is now a 12-inch handle. Great for those rusty or aggravating tight O2 sensor, you know, that normally will round off. And speaking of rounding off, that's one of the things that this is going to help you. As you can see how it's designed, it bites extremely well on the O2 sensor, as I'll show you in this demo in just a second. And actually flattened the side of the sensor out, getting it out, but it never slipped. And these are a tool that you can buy one time and you'll never have to buy them again. They're extremely heavy duty made. They're made right here in the United States. So it does carry a full lifetime warranty, so this will be the last O2 sensor wrench that you have to purchase. So let's go out here in the shop and we'll demo this thing out, and then we'll come back here and I'll give you my final thoughts on it and let you guys check out this awesome discount code. So let's go take a look. All right guys, what we have here is a 1998 Buick Century with a 3.1 in it, and the O2 sensor is bad, and this is a prime test for the Tribus Tools O2 sensor wrench. As you see, it does have the handle that screws on, and since this one's been in there for a long time, I figure we're probably going to have the added leverage. So we got it in there. So if you'll come over here, I'll kind of show you what we're working with and how it's set up. All right, you can see I've go ahead and I've disconnected it, so it's undone, and there it is here. And I went ahead and sprayed it with penetrating oil because this is probably the factory O2 sensor, if I had to guess. So we're going to get it up in here and hopefully break it loose. Alright, we got it broke loose. Out. And there we go. She's out of there. As you see, it was pretty tight, pretty tough to break loose. And then added leverage really paid off. So we'll get the new one installed, and all you gotta do is flip it over for the tightening position. We'll get all that put back in, it'll be good to go. So there you go, works great. All right, guys, like you've seen in the video in the shop, it works extremely well. Been able to flex that head like that to get in and get around all the, heat shields, shrouds, whatever you're going to have to deal with when you're working on O2 sensors and removing them. The ratcheting mechanism makes it extremely fast, so you'll be able to get the job done a whole lot faster and make more money during the job while you're doing it, because, especially guys on flat rate or even guys that's on hourly, it's a pain in the butt to use a regular O2 sensor wrench or the ones that's made onto the ratchets, just for the fitment issues that you run into trying to get the sensors out. These work extremely well. They're extremely heavy duty. I don't think you'll have any problems. I know in the past, in the first set of wrenches that Tribus come out with, they had a little bit of an issue with some of the hardening process that was causing them to break. Well, Tribus really done their homework when they did these wrenches. They was tested to over 300 foot-pounds. In fact, here's one of their test apparatuses that they used. And you can see, of course, they had this down in, the test apparatus. They put this on there. This was held in and turned, and you can see how it twisted the square anvil. So they really did their homework. They've got these right. They feel good. They function extremely well, and they fit very well on the O2 sensors. So they did their homework by pushing them to over 300 foot-pounds, and the wrenches are extremely, extremely nice. As you see, they worked extremely well. These will launch October the 1st on Tribus's website. I'll put a link down in the description. Anybody that pre-orders these prior to October 1st will receive a 15% discount. This wrench retails for $129. If you order before October 1st, you can get it for $109. So it's a $20 savings that's going to allow you to buy a wrench that you can use for the rest of your career, in fact, the rest of your life. Everybody needs a good O2 sensor wrench, and this is one that I think you'll be extremely pleased with, that functions and forms exactly like it should. Like always, guys, thanks for watching the video. Check the links down in the description. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It's totally free and never costs you guys a dime. Y'all have a great week. Check these wrenches out. You won't be disappointed. Y'all have a great week. Catch you next time.